Democratic Party President and Alur as a MP-elect Norbert has officially launched a legal defense fund, signaling his determination to vigorously contest the election petition filed against his recent parliamentary victory. The move marks a significant escalation in what is shaping up to be one of the most closely watched electoral legal battles in the country. In a characteristically defiant social media post, Mao declared one war, many fronts, no retreat, no surrender. We went on to employ a vivid metaphor, stating that while his team had assembled to fight what he termed a proxy election petition, they would not be distracted by hitting the shadow of the snake. Instead, Mao vowed, we shall hit the real snake on the head. The petition was filed by Tony Kitara, who contested the Alur constituency seat on the National Resistance Movement ticket. Mao, who has long positioned himself as a fierce critic of corruption within parliament, defeated Kitara in the January polls, but the result is now subject to legal challenge. Announced through the Friends of Mao initiative, the Norbert Mao Legal Defense Fund aims to mobilize financial resources to mount what organizers describe as a vigorous defense against the hand-warranted and machinery attack aimed at overturning the will of the people through abuse of the judicial process. The fundraising text alleges that Mao is being targeted because of his stand against corruption in parliament. The fund will professionally be managed by Friends of Mao Club Limited, a company limited by guarantee, serving as a special purpose vehicle for the fundraising effort. Supporters can contribute via mobile money platforms MTN and Airtel, or through bank deposit in both Uganda shillings and US dollar accounts held at Stanbic Bank's Metro branch. This public fundraising push comes shortly after Mao first signaled his intention to seek financial support for the legal battle. The latest communications indicate the campaign is now in full swing, starting from the press conference with a renewed sense of urgency and a clear call to his support base. The election petition adds to a period of heightened political activity for Mao, who remains a prominent opposition figure with a reputation for eloquent, often poetic, political rhetoric. His reference to many fronts suggests he views the courtroom battle as part of a broader political struggle, with the Legal Defense Fund serving as both a practical resource and a rallying point for his supporters. As the legal proceedings progress, the response to Mao's fundraising appeal may offer an early indicator of the depth of support he commends, but both within his constituency and among the wider public are sympathetic to his anti-corruption stance.